Keeping your lawn clean shouldn't take hours. Today, we're testing tools that collect leaves, clippings, and debris effortlessly for homeowners. Best yard sweeper for grass options compared for power, capacity, durability, and value, so you choose confidently every season today. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. VEVOR Yard Sweeper for Grass. The VEVOR Yard Sweeper for Grass focuses on simplicity and efficiency, making it a practical choice for homeowners who want a quiet, fuel-free cleanup solution. Instead of relying on electricity or gas, it uses a human-powered sweeping mechanism that works surprisingly well for everyday lawn maintenance. Its wide 25.6-inch sweeping path allows you to cover large sections of grass quickly, reducing the repetitive back-and-forth effort required with traditional rakes or brooms. In real use, this makes light yard cleanup noticeably faster and less tiring, especially after mowing sessions when clippings are scattered across the lawn. The included 5-gallon collection container minimizes constant emptying, which is a major advantage during seasonal leaf fall. Maneuverability is also a strong point thanks to its hidden front wheel and large rear wheels that roll smoothly across uneven terrain, gravel edges, and patios. Unlike powered blowers, it operates quietly, so early morning cleaning won't disturb neighbors. Comfort is another area where the sweeper performs well. The adjustable handle height accommodates users of different sizes and helps prevent back strain during longer cleaning sessions. When finished, the foldable handle makes storage simple, fitting neatly against a wall in a shed or garage. Durability feels adequate for residential use, combining plastic and coated metal parts that resist rust and weather exposure. Assembly is quick and straightforward, meaning most users can start cleaning within minutes. Number 2. VEVOR 21-inch Yard Sweeper for Grass. The VEVOR 21-inch Yard Sweeper is designed for users who want more controlled and consistent debris pickup across different surfaces. Its densified brush design increases sweeping force, allowing it to collect up to 80% of debris in a single pass under normal conditions. This noticeably reduces cleanup time after mowing or trimming hedges. The 21-inch width offers a balanced combination of coverage and maneuverability, making it easy to navigate around flower beds, flower paths, and narrow yard sections. One of its most useful features is the adjustable brush height. By simply turning a knob, you can raise or lower the brushes depending on whether you're working on thick grass, a sidewalk, or a driveway. This adaptability makes it more versatile than many manual sweepers that only perform well on flat lawns. The large 3.5 cubic foot hopper bag holds a substantial amount of leaves and clippings before needing to be emptied, helping maintain workflow without frequent interruptions. The ergonomic push handle make operation comfortable and natural, and the sweeper rolls smoothly with minimal effort. It handles dry debris especially well, including leaves, small twigs, and grass clippings. Storage is convenient thanks to the quick clip frame system, allowing the unit to fold compactly and lean safely against a wall without tipping. Number 3. ROLL&COMB Yard Sweeper for Grass. The ROLL&COMB Yard Sweeper stands apart from traditional lawn sweepers because it's specifically engineered for artificial turf maintenance. Instead of simply collecting debris, it also restores the upright appearance of synthetic grass fibers. This dual-purpose functionality makes it extremely useful for homeowners with fake lawns, pet areas, or decorative turf installations. The sweeping process works in 2 stages. Pushing forward collects dirt and debris, while pulling backward lifts and refreshes flattened fibers. The result is a cleaner and more natural-looking surface. Powered by a strong 1600-watt electric motor, the sweeper delivers consistent performance across larger artificial grass areas up to roughly 4,500 square feet. Its 16-inch working width offers controlled grooming rather than aggressive sweeping, which helps protect turf backing material from damage. The adjustable comb height further improves customization, allowing gentle maintenance for newer turf or deeper cleaning for older surfaces that have become compacted over time. The 40-liter collection bag efficiently gathers dust, leaves, pet hair, and sand infill, preventing buildup that can reduce drainage and hygiene. The adjustable ergonomic handle makes long sessions comfortable, while the roller system evenly combs the lawn for a uniform finish. Build quality feels professional grade, and the design clearly targets long-term maintenance rather than occasional cleanup. For artificial lawns, a normal leaf sweeper often struggles, but this unit excels in restoring texture and appearance. Overall, it's best suited for homeowners or landscapers maintaining synthetic grass who want both cleaning and grooming performance in a single machine. Number 4. GarveeLife Yard Sweeper for Grass. The GarveeLife Yard Sweeper emphasizes capacity and durability, making it appealing for medium to larger residential yards. Its reinforced steel frame provides stability even when the hopper is fully loaded, which prevents wobbling or uneven brush contact during operation. This is particularly helpful when working over slightly bumpy lawns where lighter sweepers tend to bounce and lose effectiveness. A standout feature is the large 7 cubic foot mesh collection bag, significantly reducing the need for frequent emptying. During heavy leaf fall or after mowing a large lawn, this saves time and effort compared to smaller units that require constant dumping. The adjustable brush height is controlled by a simple hand-turned knob, allowing quick changes for sidewalks, driveways, or thicker grass areas. Operation is straightforward. Push the handle and the spinning brushes immediately begin gathering debris. The brush action is effective at picking up dry leaves and clippings, and it performs consistently across different terrain types. The included height scale guide also helps users set the proper depth before starting, improving cleaning efficiency and preventing unnecessary wear on grass. Comfort is decent thanks to the ergonomic handle, and maneuverability remains manageable despite the larger capacity. Storage is still practical because the design can be positioned vertically in a shed or garage. Overall, this sweeper works well for homeowners who want longer cleaning sessions without interruption and prefer a sturdy construction capable of handling frequent yard maintenance.
Number 5. Agri-Fab Yard Sweeper for Grass. The Agri-Fab Yard Sweeper is designed for larger properties where manual push models become inefficient. With a wide 42-inch sweeping path, it covers significant ground quickly, making it ideal for expansive lawns, fields, or properties with frequent leaf accumulation. Unlike walk-behind units, this sweeper attaches to a lawn tractor, turning cleanup into a faster and less physically demanding task. Its brush system penetrates the grass to approximately ½ an inch, allowing it to pull debris hidden below the surface rather than just collecting material sitting on top. This deeper cleaning improves lawn appearance and helps prevent thatch buildup over time. The massive 12 cubic foot hopper capacity is a major advantage, holding large amounts of leaves before dumping becomes necessary. Emptying is also convenient because the release rope allows the operator to unload the hopper directly from the tractor seat. Semi-pneumatic wheels provide stability and smooth rolling even across uneven terrain, and the heavy-duty construction feels suited for long-term outdoor use. Because of its size, maneuverability in tight spaces is limited, but for open yards it performs efficiently. Overall, this sweeper targets homeowners with large properties who want professional-style results without spending hours raking. It significantly reduces cleanup time during autumn and after mowing, making it a practical investment for maintaining expansive lawns with minimal manual effort. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.